Elyse Explosion, and I'm here today for a doll unboxing, and this is one that I've not really seen within, like, my circle of like, doll YouTubers. I don't know if it's the price point, or if it's the quality, or you just haven't seen them anywhere. This is one of the Mermaid High dolls. These are from Spinmaster, and I picked her up on Amazon for about $20, which is totally reasonable to me. This is Mari, and the gimmick with the Mermaid High dolls is that you can remove their tail to be, you know, a regular fashion doll with legs and feet. Mari spoke to me because she is like the alternative goth doll, obviously, and I like seeing alt dolls with, like, you know, unusual fashion in play lines. So I haven't really seen too much about them. I know that they have, like, a series on YouTube Kids. I know one of my friends she very much liked them, but I didn't really see anything much about them. This was more through, like, talking on Discord. So I am going to open her up somehow. We'll see how that goes. And I will be right back.
11 minutes later.
We have freed her from her mermaidy prison. And I gotta say, the packaging was on par with Rainbow High in how difficult it was to remove. Very annoying. So many little, like, tie tags. Even just, like, I had to take a blade and cut the side open. So keep that in mind. The doll herself is really pretty. We kind of, like, zhuzhed up her bangs a little bit. Her bangs were a little crunchy, but her hair is extremely soft. She has a lovely little, like, purple tentacle crown. They are articulated at the elbow, elbow, shoulder. Head goes side to side and up and down, so it's like on a ball point. No torso. Her legs move, and I can tell that she does have knee articulation. No foot articulation, though. The mermaid outfit, which we're going to start with, I really like. She's got, like, a little necklace. It's like a silver necklace with a pink star on it. The top itself is very simple, but seamed appropriately. There's, like, a mesh piece to it with a little, like, almost like a pleather bit underneath, and some ribbon for detail. The tail itself is pretty cool. It is like a jersey stretch. This is screen printed. There's some shimmer on it. The fin is gorgeous, tulle and like a shimmer iridescent sort of thing. The face-ups themselves and the screening on it, it's simple but very good. Not misaligned. It's not a perfect match to the illustration, and I have to give a lot of credit because the illustrations for these dolls are gorgeous. Some of the best artwork I've seen on a doll line in a really long time, so props to Spinmaster for that. The chains here, definitely giving me, like, Spectre Vondergeist vibes. They are, in fact, attached to the mermaid tail, but there's, like, a little point in the back where you can undo it as, like, a belt. So the tail is tied on with Velcro, and we can just kind of slip out of that. Naked. She's naked, but then we're gonna put on the you know, actual clothing outfit that matches with her. I appreciate that Spinmaster's given us the alternate outfit as well. That is, you know, I guess that's becoming a bit more commonplace with Rainbow High doing it, but I like this. So she's got...
Yeah, well, mermaid dolls back in the day did not come with a secondary outfit.
They did not
buy a secondary outfit for it.
Yeah.
I believe.
So, in case you purchase one for yourself, her socks are in, like, a little plastic bag down at the end of the bottom of the package. And it comes with, like, a student ID describing Mari and having some of... Whoop!
Bye.
Having some of the other illustrations on it, but very cute. She does have, I don't think, I'm not sure if she would work with other doll shoes. Yeah, their foot mold is rather unique. I do like okay, it looks like her legs are on like a ball pivot as well. Kind of like the early Monster High. And I like that. I think it adds a nice range of motion. It's clearly not going to be the same as some of the more articulated dolls that are available right now, but I don't think it's bad. They do have a split down the back so you can get the shoes on. And yeah, that's okay. The shoes go on very nicely. The shoes are not super detailed paint-wise. They're sculpted well. There's a bit of iridescence to it. And also the detail is really high. Like there's individual buckles and straps. And so on top of this is her on-land outfit, shall we say. And it's cute. The skirt is like a little pleathery, little like woven over here, and it's got, the painting on it is really cute. It's got little tentacles and little safety pins. The safety pins are painted on. She's got some bracelets. She has pierced ears but does not have earrings. Yeah, she has big chunky platform heels that are a little Monster High reminiscent, and I kind of dig that. And she also has a pair of translucent sunglasses, which is something that I've seen people talk about because a lot of lines haven't actually been putting them in like that. I know Hair'Dorable, Hair'Mazings aren't putting them in like that. And I want to say Rainbow High is also having difficulty with that. So she has that, and then she has her little handbag, which is kind of like it's a little clutch, and it's cute because it's got like a little skeleton mermaid pattern on it, which is extremely my style. I'm pleased. I think this is really nice. I think that if you can get her, I think she's worth cost of admission. This is really nice. I like I just like the doll. I think it's really well done. I think it's a cool competitor. I love the daytime to nighttime transition with like the legs and the tail. I think there's definitely many levels of play with this doll, and I think she's really fun. Yeah, the only thing that knocks her down a little bit for me, no stand. But that's a bummer. And that's just me as a collector, not me as a play. The last piece to this Mermaid High puzzle is the clamshell laptop thing. What you're supposed to do with this is you're supposed to fully submerge it in 90-degree or hotter water. Thankfully, the water here is extremely...
Oh, it just popped open!
Yeah, it just pops open, and there's a little bag that's inside. It's hot water. So inside the bag is a little surprise. And the little surprise is... Oh, it's earrings! Remember how I said she had earring holes?
Yay!
That's cute!
We got our last accessory!
Ooh!
We lost our last accessory!
No, I got it. It's on.
Okay, it's fine.
So, this is really cool because her earrings are shark's teeth.
Wait.
So these are extremely cool. Let's see if I can get them in her without too much trouble. Okay, so inside the little laptop surprise were her earrings, and she has two little shark tooth earrings. And the laptop, the clamshell itself does actually become a little fake laptop, which is really, really cute. It looks like she's doing like a video call with one of the other girls. There are 4 dolls in this line right now. I believe they're coming out with a party line or a second line that unfortunately Mari is not in. But I'm interested to see what Spinmaster will continue to do with Mermaid High. I hope this line takes off. I think this is probably one of the nicest new fashion dolls I have seen in a really, really long time. I will say that the earrings did take 2 adults, to put into her ears. Her natural earring posts are a bit smaller than the actual post on the plastic itself. But we kind of used the shark tooth to jerry-rig it in there. It worked. And this is probably one of the highest quality new Playline dolls that I have seen in forever. I am super impressed by these. I hope they continue to do more. I know that they are coming out, I think, right soon with like a party line or a slumber party line, something like that. I'm not sure. I'll pop it in. If you've been on the fence about Mermaid High, I really like this. It gets my seal of approval, and I may consider picking up a couple more of the dolls. And who knows, maybe I'll keep them as mermaids. Maybe I'll keep them... Either way, I really like her, and I highly, highly recommend. So everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you'd like more doll videos, you're in luck, and I've got a whole bunch that I will link at the end of this. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Everybody take care, be well, and I will see you in the next video. Later!